what an easy install. The lace melted so beautifully, and I love it as a side part. When I turned it as a side part, a little bit more of that lace was exposed, so I did use a little bit of the Kafune lace melt on it to just really make it perfect. But there's really not a lot you need to do, guys. You can take this unit right out of the box and put it on your head and look fantastic. This thing here, beautiful. Absolutely love it. Beauty Forever, thank you so much. Love the goodies. And guys, greatly recommend that you go over to the site and see all the goodies in store. And subscribe to them, guys, because you can get some really nice bonus codes. I think they may also have a point/rewards program. If they do, please get into it, guys. Anything that can help you financially, do it. Guys, I absolutely love her, and I love to have you tell me what you think. And guys, thanks again for joining me. So glad to have you join me. Guys, until next time, stay blessed.